Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you all how you can use the Format Painter tool on Microsoft Excel. So let's say you're working in your Excel workbook and you made some changes to one of the columns. You're like, man, this is great. I really like this. I don't want to apply this to the columns, but I think it would look really good for my spreadsheet title that I have up here above my table that I'll be creating. So what I need to do is I have to go ahead and highlight the cell that has the changes that I'm looking for. Once we have it highlighted, we can come over here to Format Painter. And then you can see this little animated border around it indicating that it's been selected. Now we just have to come over to where in our spreadsheet do we want to apply this to. So right now, the only thing we want to apply to is the cell in cell A1, which is our title. So let's come over here and left click it. And you can see it went ahead and applied it. So now we are good to go there. However, there is an issue where it's cutting across all these different borders. So to fix this, we just have to come over and highlight all those, select merge and center. And now you can see it went ahead and merged those different cells together. So now it just looks like it's one giant cell without impacting the ones below it. But and now if I want to go ahead and revert this back, a few different ways I could do it. But one of the ways that I find the easiest is you just go ahead and highlight the cell, come over here to clear, then go over here to clear formats. And you can see now it's looking like these surrounding columns, and then I can decide whatever I want to do with them. Maybe I just want to make them bold or change the color of them. But now the only thing that has those changes is just the title here that we went ahead and used the Format Painter tool on.